Hi everyone, it's Chloe. Welcome back to another video. Today I have the Positive Teacher Company Postbox. Now this is the box that they sent out to me, so thank you very much for kindly gifting me this. This video is so overdue. It's now the 22nd of September and I got this right at the beginning of the month, so I don't know why I've sat on it for so long. I've just been so busy. If you're a teacher like me, you know what it's like getting back into school. It's busy and time flies. But I haven't even had a look yet. So this is the first time having a little look inside. Now this is the box that comes out every other month. It's £20, I believe. And it comes with lots of different goodies inside. Some teacher bits, some bits are just general stationery. But let's open it up and have a look inside. Oh, look, it's a rainbow. How typical. I've just changed my classroom. I don't have a rainbow classroom this year. We decided to go for a blue sea breeze classroom. So, okay, let's get everything out. And then I need to make sure that there are no, if there are codes, that I'm not sharing them everywhere, which I will do now. Normally there's a little code. Yep, I found it. Put that to one side. Okay, so let's start with this. This tells you everything that is inside. So if you want to pause here, you can have a look and see what is included within this box. And let's move on. Apologies as well, my hands are really grubby. I've been playing around with ink today, so ignore that. First of all, we have, this is a highlighter, I believe. Yeah, and it's like Lego bricks. I wonder if it actually does it clip onto each other? Oh, it actually does. It actually clips. That's really cool. So you've got a highlighter that is in the shape of Lego. That's really cute. I mean, I know I've changed my classroom and my classroom's not rainbow, but if you look on my Instagram and you see what my feed is like, there is a bit of a rainbow theme going on in my classroom. So yeah, we started with that. Let's move this one side. We've got a washi tape. I believe this is one of the designs that is on one of the covers. And I started incorporating this theme in my classroom last year in the display pack, which was really nice. I liked that one. We've got a little envelope here. Let's see what's inside. Watch this be something for like when the kids first come back to school and I've completely missed it. Oh, okay. Yes, you can. Nice. We just got some postcards, all the same. Oh no, they're different. Okay, so we've got some that say yes you can, another one that says yes you can, and another one that says yes you can. So these are just different designs that you've got there, 3 different designs. I love these postcards. I probably send home a postcard a day, maybe 2. I use them all the time. This size, the smaller ones that are about that size, I love them. They're so good. And they're really nice just to pop a little message on to say they've done something that they couldn't do before. Now they can do it. Send it home to the parents because they're going to cherish these little tokens that you're sending home. And it's nice. It means you can communicate with parents more through the little postcards. Okay, this is the little extra gift that is meant for you to give it to somebody else. It's like a little token to give somebody else, like your TA or somebody else at school. And it is, you can see, it's a little pin badge. Yeah, it's a little pin badge. And it's a little heart. Oh, it's a really cute message on it as well. You can pause there and have a little read. I won't read it for you. You can read it. But yeah, that's really sweet. That's lovely. Reminds me of a pen that I've got that's exactly the same as that. So that's the little token gift that you can give to somebody else. I love this theme of like, yes, I can. Especially for like September. September can be really daunting. You've been off for 6 weeks. You're going back to work. It can be scary. But yes, you can. So I like this. So this is like a goal setting magnet. Like you could put it on your fridge and you can write there what your goal is. Colour the progress bar until you've achieved your goal. And then you've got a little progress bar at the bottom. That's really nice as well. Let's pop it under there. It's a shame. My fridge isn't magnetic on the front. So I might have to find somewhere else to put this, which is a real shame because I want to stick it somewhere. Okay, next up we've got a little notepad, and again with the yes I can. You can write down things that you want to achieve and then tick them as you've achieved it. I really like the little notepads that the Positive Teacher Company makes. So that's a really nice one too. Then we've got, oh, this is really similar. If you saw, I can't remember how many months ago, there was a book, a small one that was about like 101 things to do to cheer you up or something like that. It looks very similar to that. Maybe it's done by the same people. Does it say? Okay, it says here, dose of reminders. I'll have to check to see if it's the same. That one's in my classroom and I go to it all the time. And this is a little colouring in book. Maybe I'll keep this in my classroom and during lunchtime, if I'm having a tough day and I just want to colour in, I've got my own little colouring in book. Oh, and there's some really nice little messages in here. One step at a time, it will be okay. Lovely. You do also get a £5 off your next order code. Oh, bless me. And finally, some little stickers. So these would be really nice to pair up with the postcards. So if you're sending home one of these, stick one of these stickers on them as well so it matches up. So let's have a little recap. So we had the stickers, we had the colouring in book, the pad, yes you can, achievement pad. We've got the huge fridge magnet, which is really nice. We've got the little pin badge, the washi tape, the really cool Lego highlighter that all connects together, and the postcards, and also £5 off your next order. So if you consider the £5 off your next order and take that away from the total price, this takes it down to like £15 rather than 20. So absolute bargain. I love these boxes and I'm very grateful that they send them out to me every month or every other month. So I get to show you guys and make videos and show you how I get to use these. I'm planning to use a lot more of the stuff that comes in these boxes now in my daily planner. I'm going to go back through some of the stuff that I've had in previous months and see if I can make a spread up to show you guys how you can use it. But yeah, let me know if you want to see that. I can make that happen. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you all soon. Bye everyone.